As I said previously, there are two special cases of inner classes. So the first one is a local class where you can define your class, for example, within the method. The second one is much more interesting and is a step forward to something that's in Python is called lambda function or anonymous function. So it's anonymous classes. So when we start learning Java, I told you that there is no pure functions in Java. So that's why doesn't exist anonymous functions in Java. So but there is anonymous classes. So what's the idea behind anonymous classes? Suppose that you have a class with some methods, and you want to change the method behavior but keep the class the same type. So how would you do that? You definitely know the answer is to override the behavior of that method. And for that, usually what you are doing, you are creating another class, extending that class based on this one, and then redefining behavior of this method. But there is another more nicer approach that allows you to do that without defining class. That was pretty actively used actually in Android at the time when the Java was the main language there. So and by that they were defining custom buttons and other things. So let's take a look. So you define mail template type, mail template variables, and then after new and mail template there is a possibility to put a bracket. In these brackets, what you can actually do, you can redefine behavior of some methods. So and what would be actually done here under the hood, that would be a creation of new class that would actually extend this mail type. That would be anonymous class, and this anonymous class will actually override can override some method. For example, if we will by default the behavior here would be empty string, if we would put here output string s that is defined as an attribute of this new class, new anonymous class that we created, then the behavior would change and the behavior of this get method would actually be hello. Let's check that. Let's run. Yeah, so you see that this is hello. That's hello for the reason that we, by anonymous class and this square brackets, curly brackets, we redefined the mail template by anonymous class. That actually a middle step. This anonymous class is a middle part between so-called Java lambda expressions and just ordinary classes. If you want to learn more about mail lambda, Java lambda expression, you can search through that through the internet, or we will have a separate lecture about that.